Innovative 3D reconstruction, capturing the world's finest details. In 2018, DJI Terra and the Phantom 4 RTK made aerial surveying accessible to all. Now, powered by 3D Gaussian Splatting, Terra brings life to the digital world. Preservation efforts for historical sites demand for photorealistic models. DJI Matrice 4e Smart 3D Capture enables automated data capture at millimeter-level resolution. Using 3D Gaussian Splatting, Terra generates translucent Gaussian ellipsoids. Rendered in real time, they bring ancient architecture back to life, transferring magnificent details to a digital world, all with photographic precision. Digital preservation protects our world's treasures, while 3D Gaussian Splatting transforms tourism, gaming, and VR applications. For urban mapping projects, DJI Matrice 400 is equipped with ZenMuse P1, enabling efficient, large-scale aerial data acquisition. Terra's 3D Gaussian Splatting then takes over, reconstructing large datasets like never before, rendered instantly, significantly outperforming traditional photogrammetry. Glass walls and complex architecture captured in stunning clarity. Terra generates Gaussian Splatting models in various formats, including 2D TIFF, 3D ply, 3D tiles, ready for any digital city platform. In engineering and construction, DJI Matrice 4D thrives in complex job site environments. With just a standard laptop, Terra enables one-click on-site model generation, as well as direct annotation and measurement on the 3D Gaussian Splatting model. Track progress, inspect sites, or perform simulations, 3D Gaussian Splatting does it all. Meanwhile, traditional photogrammetric reconstruction continues to evolve. Fusion LiDAR and RGB data allows simultaneous output of point clouds, 2D and 3D models, tackling even the most complex scenarios. No network signal? DRTK3 with PPK still delivers. Centimeter accuracy everywhere. DJI Terra is now fully upgraded, delivering photorealistic Gaussian Splatting, high-precision photogrammetry, and versatile LiDAR reconstruction. DJI Enterprise, an integrated hardware and software solution, making aerial surveying simpler and more efficient.